Good morning, grade 4 students. Today we are going to talk about a very beautiful living thing. What is the most common thing you see in spring? It is the flower, of course. Do you know what are the main parts of the flower? Let us see the figure here. Here, I have the colored part of the flower. Okay, the colored part of the flower, and in this figure it is purple. I call it the petal. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals. Okay, their color is purple. At the middle of the flower, I notice that there is a part that is called a pistil. The pistil is surrounded by stamen. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 stamens. And I have also a small green part here. I call it the sepal. So the main parts of the flower are the colored petals, okay, the pistil at the middle of the flower, the stamens that surround the pistil, and the small sepals, okay, the sepals. So the sepals, petals, stamens, and pistil. Now, what do I mean by a complete flower? Look at this flower. It has all the parts. It has sepals, petals, pistil, and stamens. So we can say that this is a complete flower. Any flower missing one of these parts is called an incomplete flower. For example, if I have a flower without pistil, let's say, this is an incomplete flower. Okay, now let us talk about regular and irregular flower. We are going to classify the flowers into regular and irregular. How? Compare the petals of the upper figure, okay, the petals of the flower in the upper figure, to the petals of the flower in the lower figure. It is clear that the petals of the flower in the upper figure are of the same size and shape. They look like each other and they are yellow. While the petals of the lower figure, of the flower of the lower figure, they are also yellow, but they don't have the same size and shape. Here the petals have the same size and shape. Here the petals don't have the same size and shape. So I say that this is regular flowers. These are regular flowers because the petals are of the same size and shape, while this is an irregular flower because the petals are of different size and shape. To make it more clear, okay, this is the regular flower where the petals look alike. Okay, look at them, they are all alike. While this is an irregular flower where the petals don't look alike. Okay, now I want you to solve an application. I want you to label the main parts of the flower, okay, in this figure. Also, I will give you an extra sheet, or I will send you an extra sheet about this lesson, which is the flower. You should solve it, okay, and we will solve it together later.